Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable File Explorer dark mode in Windows 10 computer. It's very easy technique, so don't forget to watch full video. By default Windows 10 computer shows File Explorer in light mode. By default Windows 10 computer File Explorer is set light mode. It may affect on your eyes at midnight. So you need to enable dark mode for File Explorer. Okay, click on Start menu, click on Settings, go to Personalization, click on Colors, this is choose your accent color. It is selected. By default it is automatically pick an accent color from my background is selected. Okay, by default it's sky color is picked from my background. Look, this is the background color, that's why it picked this color from the background. If I uncheck automatically pick, then I am selecting this color red. Okay, red is selected. Now look, here is red color. Okay, if I change this color as green, I am selecting green. Okay, open File Explorer. Look, the color is now is green. Okay, if I choose automatically pick an accent color from my background, okay, check. Now it became blue again. Note, it become blue again. This is transparency effects for this area. Okay, I am turning it off. Look, the transparency has been off. The transparency is off now. Okay, and choose your color. This is light, that's why your File Explorer it is light color. Okay, click on drop down menu, click on dark. Look, everything become dark color. Now turn on transparency. Look, this is transparent right now. I am turning it off, so it become black. Now open File Explorer. Look, everything is black right now. If you want to change this area to black, okay, now uncheck automatically peak, then click on black. Open File Explorer. Look, this area's color has been changed. Okay, close File Explorer and close settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.